Hello guys, welcome back to Naresh IT. Last session we discussed about default inheritance is single level inheritance, and also we proved that with the help of Javap command, object class is the superclass of every class. And I have asked one question: if I create multiple classes, then what is the inheritance is formed? What is the inheritance? Hierarchical inheritance. Because if I create class A, class B, class C are individual classes, all are become subclass of whom now? Object class. They become hierarchical inheritance. Okay. Now in this session I want to understand one more point, that I told you primitive values array also subclass of object class. Let me prove how it is subclass of object class. Come to the system. Observe here, I created class A, class B, class C or three classes. All these are become subclasses of object, so it is hierarchical inheritance. Now let me prove second point here. I have created object class variable and I am storing A class object. Because it is subclass, allowed to store. String class object, because it is subclass, allowed to store. Look at there, this is a primitive value I have written. Okay, this is a primitive value, still I have assigned, it is allowed. Double primitive value, it is allowed. Why? Now I told you primitive values also subtypes of what? Object. And next I have created array object, int array, class array, string class array. They also allowed to store, no problem. Observe, I am compiling, compiled successfully. Okay, no error. That means they are allowed. Sir, how is it possible to store primitive value in the reference variable? Hope some of you know background works what? Autoboxing. So what is autoboxing, how it is working, I will discuss in the next sessions. Okay. So in this video we learn 2 points. When we create multiple classes, the inheritance formed is what? Hierarchical. Number 2, primitive values and arrays also subclass of object. How can you prove? Assign these values to the object class. Okay. Object class related introduction, all points I covered. The definition of object class, it is a super class or root class of all classes hierarchy. Okay, thank you.